Hey everyone, it's Jen at Ink Paper Rubber. Happy Thursday afternoon to you. I have got a new shipment from Poppystamps with some new items in it. They are so cute. I can hardly stand it. I can't wait for you to see them. But I do have a few memory box and a few older things. So let's get those out of the way first, and then we will jump in and show you the new Poppystamps. Some of the older things we got back in. The Scribble Circle collage, and I will show you a sample. I cannot find our sample, but I will show you an online sample. This is actually a really cool die. It actually only cuts out this inside circle part here with all the scribbly lines in it. The outside doesn't cut out, so you can put it wherever you want. And it's really great with a nice background behind it. All kinds of fun things you could do with that. Also got back in this fun underwater scene die. It comes with this nice circular frame. It has the coral, and then it also has these little separate fish dies with it. And you can see we used it here and made a fun shaker card with that. This is one from last year's holiday release, the Woodland Bridge frame. I ordered this in for someone, and I have an extra one here. It's actually really nice. It's multiple dies. You get this nice outer rectangular frame. You get the inner frame that has the trees attached to it. Then you also get a separate die for the bridge. Hey there, Linda. And a separate die for the deer. So you don't have to use the bridge and the deer if you don't want to. You can place the deer in a different position. Here is a sample. It has some additional pine trees in the background, but there you can get an idea of how nice that is. These next two are from an earlier release this spring. They're part of their label die series. The first one is the Antique Corner Rose label, and here is a sample that we did with that. We cut it out, and we cut it out and inlaid it and did some watercoloring behind, and then also on the front panel there. And here is another one, the Antique Leaf label, and this one we did much simpler. We just die cut it. We used some of our pretty shiny Star Dream paper, and we pieced a few of the leaves back in and left some of them out, and just put it on a dark blue card, and very simple and very pretty. All right, into the new stuff, and most of it is new Whittle animals and other things. You may remember some of the Whittle things. We have had them before. One of them was the Whittle Moose from last year. You may recall we did, I think, some pins with him. Here's also a really cute little card using him, and he is here with the Whittle oval frames. You get two different frames, and he's just been framed in that Whittle frame. There is also the Whittle Sayings set. It has some great sentiments that go with a lot of these different ones on here. There may be one about a moose on here. I'm not sure, but there's one about mice. We have mice. We have some otters. Here you can see the little Whittle otter die. And in case you're wondering why they're called Whittle, I think it's as if you are whittling wood and you have kind of those whittling marks on there, and so they have this little detail on there, and they are super cute when they are all done up. Here is the little otter, and there you can see the sentiment from that set. What else do we have? We have this adorable little Whittle cat, and there is also a Whittle dog. Wait until you see a sample with that. They took that dog and made a whole pack of dogs of all different breeds. It's really cute. There is also a square frame. We showed you the oval frame, and this is the square frame. You get two different frames with it. And I love this little one. This is the little Whittle mouse, and you can see how adorable that is on there, and that sentiment is from the Whittle Sayings set, "You are the micest." Those were all things, actually, we had not had some of those Whittles before. They were not the brand new ones, but now I'm getting ready to show you some of the brand new ones. First thing is not Whittle, but it is really nice. It is a Wave Trio die. This one is only $5 for this die set, so it is a great, great value. You get the three different waves there. And here you can see a card sample where the different waves have been used on there, and that is being used with this really cute little Whittle fish. This next one is probably one of my favorites. I just love this one so much, probably more than I should, but I think these little Whittle crabs are absolutely adorable. They'd be so cute. Make your little underwater scene with the fish. And there also is a whale that can go in your Whittle Ocean scene. Here is a sample with the whale, and there's also a little starfish down there that you can use with that. You get 2 of the starfish. This is not our underwater, but it's kind of a tropical thing. We have this so cute Whittle gator. I think he is so, so cute. And we have a Whittle palm tree. And then there is also the Whittle monkey. He is so cute. And here you can see the palm tree along with the monkey, and also a new one. This is called Whittle Mound, and you can see that you get 2 little mounds in there. They've used that with the monkey there, but there's lots of other ways that you could use it. Here is one that showcases a lot of the new Whittle animals all in one card. It's using this nice Hello outline die. It's a nice big word die, so it really fills up your card. And on there we have the turtle, and we have the sleepy fox, and we have the tiger, and we have this little koala bear. And here you can see those 4 dies. And last but not least, we have these adorable little penguins, little mama and the little baby penguin. And we also have these little Whittle clouds. Let me show you a few samples of some of the ones that I didn't have samples for. Here are the dogs that I was telling you about, and it is all that same die, but just the way they've colored it, they all look different. I love the one there with the white eye patch, and there you have your Dalmatian and the different colors. I think that's an adorable card. Here is one. There is that scribble circle collage. They have just used it, put a kind of a sunset background behind it, and put the sailboat on it. Here you can see the starfish and the alligator and the little crabs, very cute. I'll mention you can see some of these sentiments. There is another sentiment set that is on back order, and I'm hoping that one will be coming in soon, and it goes with a lot of the new Whittle creatures that I'm showing you. And finally here are the penguins, and you can see they've used the little mounds for the little ice flows, and then up there we have the little Whittle clouds in the sky. So that is what I have for you this afternoon. I love this release so much. We actually have a class planned for later in the month using a lot of these new Whittle dies, so I hope you will check that out. In the meantime, have a great afternoon, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.